Okay, we have a Yale 6-pin. It does work. This is the bitting on the key. I received some locks last week, and this was in the locks. The Yale and a US lock 6-pin. Both were 0-bitted, but yet they had master wafer pins on top of the 0-bitting, which means that the blank key would open the lock, but also they had a master key that would work as a standard pin. So whoever installed these locks set it up to where they could get back into it with a blank key if they had to, which was really wrong way to install locks. So we don't know who installed it or who pinned the locks. So I had to repin these locks, or rekey them, and I put spools in the top along with some serrated pins in the bottom. This lock is a very weird lock to open sometimes. Sometimes it opens real easy, other times it drops pins. Of course, it drops pins nearly every time you try to open it, but you have to be very careful because it will drop the pins real easy. We're going to use a top of the keyway, and we have to use a mixture of light, medium, and heavy tension on this lock to keep the pins from dropping. So we're going to start at the front. And alright, we got a little false set out of number 2. Okay, let's check number 1 now, I believe. Okay, we got a little bit of more false set out of number 1. See if we can check number 3. Okay, got a little bit out of number 3. Let's go back and check our number 1 because it is dropping pins. Okay, got number 1 set. Let's check number 2 again. Number 3. Okay, they feel like they're set. Okay, let's go to number 5, I believe. Number 5, I've got just a little movement out of it. Let's try number 6. It'll probably drop pin number 1. Okay, we got pin number 6. Let's try check pin number 1 again. Yeah, we dropped pin 1. Okay, pin 1 set. Number 2 feels like it's still set. Okay, we dropped pin 3. Okay, that's set. Let's make sure that these pins are still set as we go. Okay, number 6, there's number 5 now, I believe. Okay, number 5. Okay, it was number 4. Okay, number 6 dropped. Got a little bit of false set out of number 6 again, but we're still not set. See if we can set it without losing everything. Okay, number 6 set. Got to go to number 5 again. Number 5. Okay, there it is, open. Very weird lock to open at times. Okay, see if we can get this thing opened. Let's see here. We got the key, so let's lock it back so we can get that clip off a little easier. Got a little split key type clip on it, or split thing. Okay, let's see what we've got here now. Come on, get in there. Okay, let's check the top pins first. All 6 pins are in the lock, or in the plug. Okay, serrated, 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 and serrated. Okay, all 6 pins are serrated in the bottom. Now let's check our top pins. Oops, there's a spring. Okay, that is a spool in number 1, a spool in number 2, another spring, okay, spool in number 3, number 4 also has a spool, number 5 has a spool, more springs. See if we can get that number 6 out. Okay, and number 6 also has a spool. So that is a Yale 6-pin lock with spools in the top and serrated pins in the bottom. See if we can get a close up, as close as we can. Okay, all spools in the top and serrated pins in the bottom. See if we can get that camera to focus on those pins. Yeah, I missed it. Okay. Serrated pin, another serrated pin, serrated, serrated, and serrated pin. Okay, appreciate your time. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. This is for informational purposes only, not to commit any type of act of violence against someone. So I thank you for your time. I will see you later. Thank you.